Very nice. Oh. Ow, that hurts. Uh-huh. Yes. Yes, baby. You want your bubble? Let me give it to you. Let me give it.
Oh, jeez.
Who is that?
Papa.
Who is that?
Papa.
Papa? Yeah.
Engie.
Yes, I guess it's Daddy, right?
Papa.
Papa. I. Where's Grand V? Go get Grand V.
Where's Randy though?
In her room.
Oh, her door's closed.
No, it's in here. In here. Sasha. In here. Here it is. Come here. What are you doing? Not Sissy's room. What'd you find? Come on. Come here. It's right here. Right there. Look. Here you go. Who's that? Who's this? Who's that? Grand V? Yeah, Grand V. You say it again? Grand V. Yeah, that's ew. Sasha. Who's that? Who's that? Be careful. All right, hold on.